What if everything you know, your memories, your experiences, your entire life, is nothing more than lines of code in a massive computer simulation? This might sound like a sci-fi movie, but some of the world's greatest thinkers, from physicists to philosophers, are seriously considering the idea that we could be living in a simulated universe. Could it be possible that our entire reality is just an advanced computer program? And if so, who or what is running it? Just 50 years ago, video games were nothing more than simple dots on a screen, but today, we have hyper-realistic simulations with AI-driven characters and vast immersive worlds. Now imagine a future where computers are so powerful that they can simulate not just worlds, but entire universes, down to the atoms, the physics, and even the minds of the beings inside it. Even Elon Musk believes the odds that we are not in a simulation are 1 in billions. But why do scientists take this idea seriously? If we are in a simulation, physics should give us clues. And guess what? It does. Let's look at the scientific evidence. Max Tegmark, a physicist at MIT, argues that the universe isn't just described by mathematics, it is mathematics. Everything, from atoms to galaxies, follows precise mathematical laws as if they were programmed into a giant simulation. If reality runs on mathematical code, could it be because it is code? Here's where things get really weird. In quantum physics, particles exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. It's almost like the universe renders reality only when it needs to, just like a video game only loads graphics when you look at them. John Wheeler, one of the pioneers of quantum physics, even suggested that reality is a participatory universe, meaning it only exists when we observe it. Could this mean that our reality is just an efficient computer simulation processing only what's necessary? Another strange clue is the speed of light. Why is it the absolute speed limit of the universe? Nothing can go faster than 299,792,458 meters per second. But what if that's not just a law of physics? What if it's the maximum processing speed of the simulation? Just like a computer has a processing speed, could our universe have one too? Some physicists believe our universe might actually be a hologram. The holographic principle suggests that everything we experience in 3 dimensions is actually encoded on a 2-dimensional surface, just like a video game rendering a 3-dimensional world on a 2-dimensional screen. If true, this could mean our reality is projected from a higher dimensional space, just like a simulation. If we're in a simulation, could we prove it? Some scientists are trying to detect glitches, unexpected computational patterns in cosmic rays or quantum fluctuations. Silas Bean suggests that if the universe is a simulation, it might have a detectable grid-like structure at extremely small scales, just like pixels in a computer screen. Of course, not everyone believes we're living in a simulation. Some scientists argue that while the universe follows mathematical rules, that doesn't mean it's programmed. Others point out that a simulation of an entire universe would require an unimaginable amount of computing power. So, are we in a simulation? We don't know. But as AI and computing power grow, we might one day create simulations with conscious beings inside. If that happens, what does it say about our reality? If this blew your mind, hit like and subscribe for more deep science mysteries.